Konnichiwa, hello, my name is Miki and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing something that has been super hyped during 2019 and I am late to the game, but that's okay. I'm going to be reviewing the Revlon Salon One-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. Now, you guys have probably seen this all over the internet, and I finally got mine because yo bitch is cheap, so I wait for things to go on sale before I buy them, and I finally got my hands on this guy. Now, if you're new to my channel or you enjoy my videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit that bell notification so you actually know when I post my videos, and my disclaimer, if you are super sensitive to profanity or if you are easily offended, this is not the place for you. I am a no filter bitch and I have no idea what's gonna come out of my mouth, so keep that in mind while you're watching. So if you guys are interested in watching a hair noob use this Revlon One-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer, then just stay tuned. All right, you guys, I know I be looking a little rough, but it is that glorious time of the month, so my face is just a hot fucking mess, so you're just gonna have to stare at this hot mess throughout the entire video because I am not gonna be putting on makeup. It is actually like 8:30 at night, and I figured, you know what, I'm gonna be washing my hair tonight, so might as well try this thing out. If you guys have watched any of my previous hair videos, you will know that I suck at hair. I hate anything that has to do with hair. I hate styling it. I hate straightening it. I hate curling it. I hate everything that has to do with styling hair because I am just not good at it. So what I normally do on my day-to-day basis, or like the days that I wash my hair, because I do not wash my hair every day. You shouldn't be washing your hair every day because that's really bad for your hair. Anyways, I usually air dry after I put some products in it, but I normally don't like air drying because when I air dry, I have a lion's mane. And even when I blow dry it, I have a lion's mane. It doesn't matter how I style my hair. At the end, unless I straighten it, I will have a lion's mane. It does not matter if I put product. It doesn't matter if I dry it with a round brush. I am always going to have a lion's mane. That's why I actually got this thing, because I was seeing some videos out there, and not only does this thing look very confusing to use just because I'm not an experienced hair person, it also gave people like these awesome hair salon style type of blow dry, and I want that, okay? I really, really want that. So that is why we are here today. This retails, I believe, for $59.99. I'm not sure. I don't have my phone with me right now, so I apologize. I'll put the price up here on the screen, but I got it at Target on sale. I believe it was 15% off, maybe 20% off. Then I had a $5 gift card, so I put that on top. So I brought this down to about 40 bucks. And so I would say saving 20 bucks on this thing was a pretty good deal. Now I'm going to read a little bit like what's on the box. I'm pretty sure this comes with a pamphlet, but you know, nobody really reads those things. I'm one of those people who actually sort of kind of read the directions on things because I want to use everything that I need to the proper way so I can get the maximum results. I don't know why this is so difficult to get out of the box. I swear, y'all, American packaging really is just the fucking worst. Y'all either use plastic to where you can't get into the packaging, or you guys use a lot of cardboard in boxes. That is just really fucking unnecessary. So on the back here, we have like a picture of the styler, and I'm trying not to get the glare on there so you guys can actually see what's going on. With this styler, we have a cool tip, so I'm guessing that's like the plastic part of the brush. Then we have tufted bristles with bore technology. It has a tangle-free combination of bristles, so you can see there's plastic and then the bore bristles. Then we have a unique airflow vents. Then we have a lightweight ergonomic design, multiple heat settings, professional swivel cord, and this actually has a 4-year limited warranty, which is pretty nice, I'd say. This has ionic technology, ceramic coating, and less time, less damage. I actually have my little hair dryer with me because while I was watching these videos, a lot of people said that you need your hair dry at least 70 to like 80%. And as you guys can see, my hair is still very much wet because I actually just got out of the shower. But here is a little view of what my hair looks like. No product, no nothing, straight out the freaking shower, nice, fresh and clean. And this thing is just gonna be like a huge lion's mane here in a second. Honestly, am not really sure about this thing. I don't think it's gonna do what I've seen it do on other videos. Not only am I a skeptic with this, but I'm really nervous to use it because I'm one of those people, I'm a pretty coordinated person, I'd like to think, but whenever I'm doing like the whole round brush technique, which I have tried, it just sucks. So I pulled this out of the packaging and I have to say this thing is fucking huge. It is the same size as my huge ass face, and I have to say it's light, but it will get heavy later on, if that makes sense. A lot of people say that this is very light to them, but to me it feels like pretty bottom heavy, I guess you could say. And there are like the little boar bristles in here, and it looks like these guys are plastic like any other hairbrush. The only hairbrush that I can use are the wet brushes. This is actually from a different brand called Kala or Kayla. This is wet and dry brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and put some product in my hair, and then we're gonna get into this little pamphlet guy to see what exactly it is I need to do. Now, the first thing I'm gonna be putting in my hair is the crack. This is crack for your hair. I love this stuff. I am going to put literally like a pea-size amount, just like that, and I'm going to rub it into the tips of my fingers because I do not want a lot of this stuff. This stuff really goes a long way, and if I put too much, my hair will get way oily. And so I just want to put this like on the shafts and on the ends of my hair. So I'm just going to massage this bad boy into the strands. I scooted you guys back a little bit so you guys can actually see like what's going on with the head here. After I put the hair crack, I'm gonna go in with It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product. My best friend actually turned me on to this because she was like, if your hair is damaged, you might as well get this. This thing is fucking expensive. I don't care what anyone says. $20 for a little teeny tiny bottle like this is just fucking ridiculous. But I feel like with the amount and how little goes a long way, this might last me quite a bit, because this as well, if I put too much in my hair, it gets way too freaking oily. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this a good shake. And I am one of those people who like to take the spray and spray it in my hands and then work it through my hair, because if you're just directly spraying, a lot of the time the spray isn't very great on these hairsprays, so it's only concentrated to one area and then it'll get really oily. So I'm gonna go ahead and just spray this onto my hands here, and I'm going to massage it into the hair. Now I'm just going to kind of glance over this for a second. So this basically has like important safety instructions, warnings, dangers, all that stuff. I'm seeing, okay, right here it says styling tips. For faster results, towel dry hair to remove excess water, then run a comb through damp hair to detangle for best results. Plug the appliance into an electrical outlet. Adjust the switch to the selected setting. Use the low setting on fine or thin hair and the high setting on thick and coarse hair. So your girl gonna be on a high setting because I don't know, I've been told I have fine hair, but your girl has thick hair, okay? It's coarse, it's wavy, and it takes a long fucking time to dry, and so we're gonna be on the high setting. For smooth blowouts, place the volumizer close to the roots and brush down toward the ends. The mixed nylon pin with rounded tips quickly detangle while I don't know why I can't say this word. Tufted bristles with Bohr technology gently grip hair to smooth and promote shine. I am not gonna do voluminous blowout because I don't like volume. If you guys can see right now, like this is going to dry 3 times bigger than it is right now. So I don't need anything voluminous. Okay, so I think I have a rough idea. Now my hair is definitely towel dried. As you can see, the bangs are basically drying off right now, but I feel like the back, like this is where I have so much volume. You can see just by doing this, I can add volume to my hair. Like it's pretty ridiculous. So I'm gonna go ahead and dry my hair a little bit with some medium to cool heat. That way I'm kind of getting an air dry, but like a express air dry, if that makes sense. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. All right, this is my hair about, I want to say like 75-80% dry. So as you can see, I look like the guy from Harry Potter. So this is what we're working with. So I am really skeptical about this tool because it's supposed to transform this. Oh, okay. It sounds like a fucking vacuum. Have you guys ever used a Dyson vacuum? I don't actually own one, but my mom did. And those Dyson vacuums sound like you're inside of an airplane. That's basically what this sounds like to me. On the bottom here, on the back, you can see that there are 3 settings, or I guess you could say 4. There's the off switch, cool switch, low switch, and high switch. So yeah, we're gonna I'm really trying to avoid use this thing because I feel like I'm gonna look so fucking ridiculous because I don't know how to do this. Like, I've watched so many videos and people make it look so freaking easy, but like, do I really know what I'm doing? No. Of course, you want to brush out your hair, so I'm gonna go do that real quick. So I got my hair nice and brushed out, and again, as you can see, lots of volume. Whenever I was watching videos of people using this Revlon hair styler, they were parting their hair, so that is exactly what I'm gonna do because I am trying to make this as easy as possible for myself, because just looking at it is already like a really like scary, daunting thing to me. This makes me nervous because it's loud and it's just, I mean, look at it. It's so fucking big. I think that you're supposed to kind of just do it like this and use the cool tip to kind of bring it down and then curl it at the end, I'm guessing. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. I don't know what I'm gonna do when I get on this side because I'm always like, what do I do with this side? Because it's just, you know, it's your left hand. But we're gonna see how this works. I'm really freaking just like, I don't know what it is, but appliances scare me, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and try the low setting first just to see if it really does do anything for my hair, like style it. And then if it doesn't, then I'll move on to the high. But all right, so here goes nothing. Right off the bat, low isn't gonna do shit for my hair. There's absolutely no way that I can use this on low heat because, I mean, I don't even really feel heat coming off of this. A lot of people were saying that when it's on high that it gets really, really hot. Now, when I was looking at the box, it doesn't say anything about what the maximum temperature is, so I'm not really sure how hot this gets, but I will tell you right now, for this kind of hair that's frizzy and kind of coarse and thick, I'm not gonna be able to use the low setting. So I'm gonna try the high setting and see if it really does anything, because as you can see, it's just adding volume to my hair, which is what I don't want. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this on high heat and see what we can do. So the high setting definitely does make this pretty freaking hot. It's a very, very big jump from low to high. I don't know why it's such a huge jump, but it does get really hot. This, I don't know. I really don't feel like it's doing anything for my hair. I guess I won't know until I actually finish the rest of it. So let me go ahead and do a little more of my hair and see if like that changes the way I feel about this, because I also want to do it in a different direction. I kind of want to do it outwards because I like my curls to frame away from the face rather than turn in. So I'm going to try to like do that method, you know, pull it back and see if I really am enjoying this or not, because right now I really can't tell. I mean, it just feels like a regular dryer to me. So yeah, that's where we're at right now. So let me go ahead and do some more of my hair, and I will let you guys know how I feel. So I'm on the last part of my hair, like the crown part of my head, and I feel like this is just pointless. Like, I honestly am not getting any curl here on the bottom. As you can see, it's just straight. There's still quite a bit of volume in my hair, and I don't get what all the hype is about. I'm trying to curl out the bottoms. Like, if you guys have one of these or have used it, please sound off in the comments below if I'm using it wrong. I feel like maybe I am using it wrong because I'm just like, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. But I just feel like if this is, ooh, I have a piece of glitter. A lot of people were saying it made their life easier. It gave them a nice blowout and it gave them nice like bottom curls. And I'm just sitting over here like, is this really worth it to me? If this was actually $60, like $59.99, and I paid full price, I would be very upset right now because it's not really doing that much for my hair. It's not even giving me like a curl on the bottom. I even hold it on the bottom a little bit and kind of twist and turn this, and I'm still really not getting anything. So I don't know, maybe I'm using it wrong, or maybe my hair is just, I'm just stuck with having shitty hair for the rest of my life. I'm going to go ahead and finish off the rest of my hair and see if it makes a difference, and then give you guys my final thoughts, and you guys can also see how it looks completely finished. this is my hair afterwards. And I fucking hate it because this has so much freaking volume. Now, I know you guys are probably thinking, why the hell would I even buy this? Because it actually says for volumizing. I think it's because I had the hope that whenever I was watching other people's videos while they were doing this, their hair was so much straighter than this and they had like really nice bouncy curls on the bottom. But either this is user error or this brush just does not work for hair like mine. When my hair is curled and it's this voluminous, I like it because curls equal volume and it looks good. But when you have hair that's like mine, there's literally no waves or anything to it. As you can see on the bottom, it just kind of goes in. There's no like cute curl on the end like I was expecting. And this is just way too much freaking volume for your girl here because I just like, this is what my hair almost looks like when I air dry it, just maybe out to like here instead of like in here. I don't know if you guys saw, but like I was trying to use it this way to go outwards so I could get like a bottom curl on the bottom and it just wasn't working. Again, it could be user error because I really suck at doing hair. I feel like there is a learning curve to this because I noticed that when I was getting a little bit back here towards the top, that it did start to curl a little bit towards the ends. And I think I was taking a little too much of my hair in sections. Instead of small sections, I kind of took like, you know, about this big. So I feel like maybe if I do smaller sections, it will work better. But even if you look at the back, like look at this. For me, I feel like this kind of just does the complete opposite. Like it makes my hair a little bit more frizzy, if you will. And I really don't like it. I'm debating if I should like keep practicing with this or if I should take it back. Is it worth $60? Fuck no, this is not worth $60. I'm really glad that I only paid $40 for this because there's no way in hell. Like if I knew that it was going to do this to my hair, I would not spend $60 on it full price. Nope. Would I even spend the $40? I probably still wouldn't buy it just because I just don't see the worth in this. I do really like how flat the top is. It might be because I'm curling it outward, so it's adding more volume on the bottom. Honestly, I don't freaking know. I am just going to have to practice with this because I feel like there is a lot of room for improvement the way that I did it with my hair. Now, I feel like this is just not for me, but I will try my best to learn how to use this, maybe watch more videos, styling tips. I don't know if you guys have any recommendations of what I could be doing wrong and what I could be doing better. Please let me know because I really do want this thing to work. I know I said I was a skeptic about it, but I like the thought, like the idea of this product, and I just really want it to work. So please let me know in the comment section below if you had like a same experience or if you had a great experience, what you did to get that great experience, because I would love to know. All right, you guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click that big red button that says subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit that bell notification so you actually know when I post my videos. And as always, if you have any tips, tricks, questions, comments, or if you simply want to talk shit, leave it on in the comment section below, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.